Welcome to a tutorial on the top toolbar. This tutorial will deal with the buttons on the left all the way up to this dot. This tutorial is using the Symmetry app as an example, but will not attempt to explain it. There is, of course, a separate tutorial for that app itself. So let's start by bringing something onto the page. So we have a square. To create a new page, we click the left button. As you see, once we hover over the button, we can see its description on the right. Let's click it and move down, and we're in a new page. We're in page 2 of 2, and we don't see the square because it's in page 1. We can click this arrow to move back to page 1, and then click this arrow to move on to page 2. Now let's place a parallelogram on page 2. Now, let's duplicate the page. This is the second button. Let's click it, move down, and we see we are now in page 3 of 3. Let's bring another shape onto the page. And now let's say we want to erase all the shapes on the page. For this, we have a third button, Clean Page. Let's click it, move down, and we are still in page 3 of 3, but it's clean. What if we don't want the third page at all? So we don't want to clean it, we just want to completely erase it. For this, we have the next button, Erase Page. Let's click it. And it's gone. So now we are back to page 2 of 2. Now let's say we drag this parallelogram down, but then we decide we liked it where it was. Well, we can click here and undo the last operation to do this. And we also have a redo last operation. Sometimes during a lesson or while preparing a lesson, we don't need the buttons of the app. So for this, we have the button Show Hide Page Buttons. So we can click to hide them and click again to bring them back. Here we have only one shape, so we might as well make it larger. For this, we have the magnifying glass icon with the plus to enlarge the page. And of course, the magnifying glass with the minus, it shrinks the page. Both operations are done with a prolonged click. So that's it. These are the tools we have on the left side of the toolbar. Thanks for watching.